Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. So I've been getting this request from a coworker of mine. She's been asking me, she told me she wanted me to do like a steak. I should probably do it this way, but man, that's she wanted me to do something on steak, like how to grill steaks. To be honest with you, like I don't have a play-by-play on how to do steaks. I just know, like I'll just put it on the nose. So to the best of my ability, I will show you guys how I grill steaks. It depends on how the doneness you want of your steak. If you like well done, rare, medium well, medium rare, whatever, medium. It's just however you want it. But I've been doing it for a while, so I kind of know like how I want it. And a lot of grills vary, they differ in heat. And I know where on my grill, where it gets hotter than it does in other places to grill. So you guys can see how I do it. So right now, grill's at almost at 450. I like for my grill to climb up to 5 because I know it's hot, and then I'm gonna slap these down. The steaks that I have are just 2 New York strip. I just season them with just like a Montreal seasoning, salt, pepper, some spices. You can season it however. I've marinated steaks before and put them on, and then I'm gonna throw them on. The reason I want it to get really, really hot because I want to put a char on it, so you can see we're already about to climb to 5 right here. For my grill, the heat comes from like the middle. My old grill used to come from the left side. It used to be really hot on this side. So mine will come from the middle. So I'm gonna pop this open, put those on, and then I'll just show you what I do. Put that on there. Put this on there. What I'll do is I'll cover it again. I want that side to char for about 2-3 minutes, just depending on the thickness of the steak. Maybe like 2 minutes. And then what I'll do is I'll take it and rotate it 9 degrees so you can get your grill marks. So I'm gonna do that now. I need to go grab my tongs though. How's your guys' day going? Yeah? Okay. There we go. This is kind of how I learned how to do it. It might sound stupid. Put them in at 500. I'll wait for it to climb to about 550. A little bit past 550. And I'll lift it up, turn them, put the lid back down, or lift it up for a little bit, wait for it to drop down to 500, then I'll do 550 again, then I'll flip them over. I don't want to cook them through with the lid down because they'll cook through all the way. What I'm doing is trying to get the char. Sorry, there's a fly. What I'm trying to do is just kind of get the char, but I like my steaks like a medium rare. My wife, she likes them like rare. So I'm trying to get them charred and then have pink on the inside. So you can see here, you can see it's at 5. As soon as it hits that little dot, it's gonna get hot pretty quick. I'm gonna turn them. I don't know, I guess just the more you do it, you just... Alright, so you can see we're creeping now. Boom. Hitting it. And all I'm doing is this. So straight on. Turn it. Straight on. Turn it. What it looks like when I flip it over. So let's get it charred. See how it dropped back down? Got it back down to 5. And as soon as it shoots back up to that mark again, hopefully I'll get some good grill marks. If not, I'll lift it up just to see. If not, I'll wait a little bit longer, then I'll flip them over on the other side. Thank you for anybody who's watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Alright, let's flip it on the other side. So I still want to keep that like medium rareness. So I'm gonna leave the grill open. But you can see, like, you know, you've got those marks now, which is what we want. And me, I press on it just to kind of know the doneness. Like they say there's a way to do it, you can press on it, and if it's, I don't know, Google it. But this is how I do it. So for the duration of this time, I just wanted to cook just a little bit more. I actually might even put these on top, but we should still be pink inside somewhat. Yo, Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Alright. Anyways, you can see we got these here. Cooking them still. Hey, Jazz, do me a favor. Just wait for me because I'm going to use it. Make sure you wash it good because that's where the sticks came off of. And then just bring it back, please. So I may want to, because I still kind of want them rare in the middle. And I have these burners up high, by the way. The lid's open now, so it's not, you know, cooking them all crazy. I might just move these up a little bit, just so they're not on direct heat. Make it out of the shadow so you can see it. Try to get close without my camera shutting off. So I'm zooming in, so because it's hot. So you can see we got our grill mark. So this is taken, I guess, from me throwing them on, maybe like, I don't know, 7 minutes, 7-8 minutes. So like I said, it just all depends on like the doneness you want your steaks. This, to me, I know the food talks to me. It's like, hey, we're good right now, son. So as soon as she brings the plates back out, I'm gonna take these off. If you want to use a pan, you know, same method. Just get it real hot. Throw a little bit of like butter or something on there on the surface. Drop them bad boys on there. Just let it cook, locking those juices in, and that's what we want. So it gets a little bit more heat.
What is that?
It's here. You see the deliciousness. And we'll take it inside. Alright, so they're in right now. This one I'm gonna cut into, that's mine. We're gonna check out the temperature, see where it's at. So I told you guys I liked mine as like a medium rare. And you can see it is a medium rare. Let me show you guys. So for a medium rare, you've got your brown ring and it's nice and pink on the inside. And that's how I want it. Char, char, that's how it is. If you want it done longer, like I set it up top, just keep it up there, close the lid for a little bit and it'll get done more. But this is how I like my meat. Pause. Moment of truth. That's it. Really good. Well, there you go. How to cook a steak on a grill. Pretty simple. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know your technique. Let me know if you don't like my technique. Like I said, this is how I do it. Because it all really just depends on your grill. And it really just all depends on your doneness. So this is how I do it. I've been doing it for a while, so I just know. If I wanted it more done, like I said, I would just keep it on that top rack, close the lid for a little bit, let it cook internally. I just wanted to sear both sides. I got my grill marks. Tastes delicious, so we out.